Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, I really appreciate you guys a whole lot. So guys, today I'm driving from Obowo in Imo State down to Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. As you're watching the video, if you find it interesting and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So you can see how clear the video is. It's a sunny day, and this is Onu-Imo, Malaysia market, and soon we'll be crossing the boundary between Abia and Imo, which is this river, Imo River. The moment you cross the bridge, you have entered Umuahia. You have entered Umuahia, Umuokpara, Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. So kindly watch down to the end as I take you to Umuahia. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. And if you are a returning viewer, like I said previously, I really appreciate you guys a whole lot. So this video ends here. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe for more.